Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our new Ford Transit door seals, which are compatible with all models of MK7 Transit between 2000 to 2014. The rubber seals that surround the doors on the MK7 Ford Transit often split, deteriorate and come away from the doors, resulting in water ingress sitting on the door seals and can lead to severe rust. The seals also look poor once they start to deteriorate. The seals also have a very loose fit and can easily come away from the door seals. They are not fixed on with glue and the rubber loses its grip over time. Therefore, the seals can completely come away, leaving the door seals exposed, which can cause damage. New seals from Ford are very expensive and retail for over £120 plus VAT. This is a costly fix for a seal that will have the same issue recurring time and time again. Our solution is a set of new and improved design door seals which are metal reinforced. They hold a strong grip onto the door seals and create a protective bond against any rust, corrosion or damage. Firstly, remove the interior step by removing the 3 pop rivets in the interior. There are 2 bolts located underneath the van. Remove these with a 10mm spanner, although very commonly these bolts have rusted off, so if your van does not have these, then do not panic. The step should lift away from just popping out the rivets. Then remove the door seal. Starting from the bottom where the join in the seal is, pull the seal away from the door sill. The seal is not held in with any glue, so it should pull away quite easily. You can see here the amount of rust that has been caused by water ingress from the damaged and split seal. If your van has a similar amount of rust, you should treat it before putting on the new seals. You could use a product such as Hammerite Cure Rust. Clean the door sill area from any dirt and debris. If there is any stubborn residue, then you can use tar and glue remover. We recommend Autoglim Intensive Glue Remover. This is the old seal. As you can see, it has split and filled with rust from where it has let water sit on the door sills. And this is the new and improved design seal. It is metal reinforced and will be longer lasting than the original door seals. Starting from the center bottom, where the join originally was, start to install the new seal. Push the metal reinforced section into the door sill firmly and work your way around the door frame anti-clockwise. The most fiddly section is fitting it around the dash. If you are struggling with this section, you can use a heat gun or hot air dryer to heat the seal to make it more flexible. Finally, reinstall the interior doorstep. Thank you for watching this X8R video. This product is now available to purchase on our website on www.x8r.co.uk or our eBay and Amazon store. If you have any comments or questions, please contact us on the telephone number or the email address on the screen.